Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H, and in today's video I'll show you how I keep decal orders and projects all organized. So let's get started. First off, what I do is I keep this product right here, Trello. I subscribe to this, I pay for it, it's just a great product. What I like about this is this is a project that I'm doing for Amanda. So Amanda here, this is one of her, well, this is their semi. So I can keep the price, all my data in it, all organized, and then I keep all the photos here in this, and it's web-based, so I can look at it on my phone, I can look at it wherever. But here's what I really like. So the guy I have do my decals for me, I can add him in here. So Matt does my decals, or I pay him to do decals, he does them for a lot of people. But I can add him as a member. So all I have to do is send him a link to this board, and then he can see all the photos, and then we can communicate here in real time without having to do email chains and a whole bunch of everything. So let me show you what I mean. We go down here to the first project I did for Amanda, and right here, this is Matt sending me artwork proofs right here in this board, so it updates in real time. I just love this product. It just makes things so much easier. So here's another photo Amanda sent me from the first truck, and then, like I said, Matt can post artwork proofs right here, and we can communicate. I can comment on photos. Man, I tell you, this is just a great product, and it just makes my life so much easier. Okay, now this is how I keep all my projects organized. This is how I order decals. So this is a Google Doc, free product. Everyone has access to it. If you have a Google account, Gmail, you have access to this same thing I'm using here. And basically all I do is I put down the date, I put down the project name. This is Haley's, for example. This is a 377 Pete. I put a link to the board so he can go right to it, and then I tell him which decals I need. So the 377 is a new, he's never done decals for this, for me anyway. So I took a bunch of photos of the 377 on it with a ruler, and I'm telling him here, the template photos are in Trello. I need some close-ups of the artwork, because some of the artwork is at an angle, and they're not good enough for him to recreate at an angle. So I need the sleeper flags, back of the sleeper, the door logo, her husband's name on the door, the hood number, and their daughter's names are on the sleeper. For Amanda, this is a second project for her, 379 Pete. He's already got the template for the 379, no big deal. Here's a link to that truck, which is right here. Okay. There it is. So I need a door logo, a hood number, checker stripes from the front to the back, DOT numbers, and art on the back of the sleeper. And then I'm making a note here because it just occurred to me, and you can read that there for yourself. I need to put a new photo with the proper measurement of this shorter sleeper. So the templates he has are 63 and 72 for 379 through 89 Pete, and also flat top and some others. But he doesn't have a 48-inch stand-up, which is what Amanda's truck has. So that's a 48 versus a 63. So I'm going to just take some photos of a 48 on a 379, put a ruler on it, so that way he can get this stripe the correct size on the sleeper all the way down, as well as DOT numbers and any other artwork. So if you go to Matt and order decals for this kind of truck, guess what? They'll be made the right size. So that is what I do. After I go ahead and get all the details I want on my Google Doc, and he and I came up with this system. I'm not saying you have to do it this way, but he said, hey, keep using that Google Doc. It helps me stay organized, because I normally send more than one project. Like here I've got 2, and it's not uncommon to have 5 different projects for decals. But anyway, so I'll copy that link, then I go over to Gmail. Here you go, that's 2 there. If you want to email him, there's his email. New order 220, whoops, not 222, it's 622. Matt, 2 new projects if you're interested. Here's a link to the Google Doc. Let me know. Eric, send, and we're done. That is one way I keep all the different projects that I have going on organized. And when I'm ordering decals, for example, another means in which I keep all that organized. So I am an affiliate for Trello, so if you want to use that product, I'll post an affiliate link, and if you click through and subscribe, I get a commission, and I appreciate it if you do. I find this tool just hugely valuable, and there is a free version, so if you don't want to pay for it, obviously you can do the free version as well. So good luck, hope it helps. Go build something awesome. We'll see you.